Hello, the following presentation was developed by Smart Team LLC. Smart Team is a technical partner of Autonomy focused on enhancing the capabilities of Liquid Office to meet your business needs. This demo is for the Exchange Connector custom task for Liquid Office. This task gives Liquid Office an easy way to access the Exchange server and download emails, extract email information, and even initiate a process. Let's take a look and see how the Exchange Connector works. Liquid Office will send a request to the Exchange server. The Exchange server will respond with email information. This task will scan all emails in the inbox and process emails by certain criteria that is configured in the Exchange Connector tasks, like processing emails only from AOL.com. Each email will then be processed and launch a separate sub-process carrying the data inside the email for further processing. Let's look at the processes we're going to use today. We're going to be using two processes. The first process is the Exchange Connector demo process. It contains three tasks: the Exchange Connector custom task, a delay, and a loop. The Exchange Connector custom task will communicate with the Exchange server. After the emails are processed, a delay of 1 minute will be initiated. After 1 minute, the process will loop back to the Exchange Connector task and check the Exchange server for new emails. Inside of the Exchange Connector custom task, you will see the Exchange Connector Properties tab. This tab contains all the configurations that define the Exchange server location and connection/processing criteria, like what emails to be processed and where to move emails after processing. There's also a sub-process tab. This is where you choose the sub-process that will be initiated after each email is processed. The second process we are using is the sub-process that is separate from the main process that contains the Exchange Connector task. The sub-process could be any process that defines any business logic and can be totally separate from the Exchange processing. In today's demo, our sub-process only contains one simple form task that uses an eForm to display all data collected from Exchange email object, which includes from, to, CC, email subject, email body, date created, and date received. The process will also attach the email as well as any attachments included with the email. Now let's look at the emails that we're going to be using for the demo. The first email is from Mike Lee, and it contains no carbon copy or attachments, and just some simple text inside of the email. The second email is from Stephen Wang, and it CCs Mike Lee. It also contains three attachments: a Word document, a PDF, and an Excel spreadsheet. The process will access the Exchange server, extract both emails and the attachments that are included with the email from Stephen Wang. After the emails have been successfully processed in Liquid Office, they will be moved to the process folder in the email inbox. Now you can also archive the emails to a folder on your system. During the demo, you will see folders created containing the emails and attachments in this location. So let's go ahead and get started with the demo. And I'll bring up my web desktop and log in and go to our process. And before I kick off the process, I'm going to show you the management console. And I just want to show you that there's currently no processes inside of LiquidOffice. So I've initiated our process, and it's going to connect to the Exchange server. And if we go back to our management console and refresh, you'll see that there are 3 processes. The Exchange Connector demo, which is our main process, and the other 2 processes running are our sub-processes, one for each email. Now if we go back to our LiquidOffice inbox, we're going to see that there's 2 forms. And I'll go ahead and open up one of them, and we'll see that this is the email from Mike Lee to the demo user. You'll see that everything is filled in except for the CC because there was no CC. And we'll check our attachments, and we should see one attachment, and that's our original email. So I'll go ahead and open that up. And while that's open, we're going to go to our archive folder, and we're going to see 2 folders, one with Mike Lee and one with Stephen Wang. And if I go into the folder, this is the Mike Lee folder, so we just have the 1 email. And if we go into the Stephen Wang folder, we're going to see 4, the email and then the 3 attachments. And here's our attachment. You can see it's the email from Mike Lee. So let's go ahead and we'll close this, and we'll go back and open up the email from Stephen Wang. And we can see that it's from Stephen Wang to demo user, and it CC's Mike Lee. And we'll check our attachments. And we've got 4 of them, the email and then the 3 attachments that were included with the email. We'll just open up one just to make sure that all the data is there, and it is. And if we go back to our inbox and we look at the process folder, we can see that both emails have been moved, so they were successfully processed in LiquidOffice. And here's our email from Stephen Wang, and you can see that it has the 3 attachments. So I'll go ahead and close that one as well. And that's pretty much it for the demo. I'll show you, here's our Exchange Connector task. So you can easily just drag and drop that in there and then configure it from there. Well, I thank you for watching the demo. If you have any inquiries or questions, please visit us at our website, smartteamllc.com. Thank you.